Hey everyone, welcome back to the Drifter Journey channel. We got a new exciting video for you today. We are going to demonstrate landing and taking off, but landing's really the concern on the Further Customs Laguna 330. Our dog's super excited to get off the boat. We're a couple miles from camp, but we're gonna go over a couple different ways, different examples. We're new to boating, so we are learning. If you want to get a discount on one of these, check in the description. If you'd like, comment and subscribe, purchase anything through our links, it does help support the channel. So our first example here, we're going for a Mexico rocky beach. We have landed here once before, so we know on the inside, usually we'll take a lap, check what's going on in the shallows, make sure we're not going to hit anything. But as we're coming in, we will go in with a little bit of speed, and then when we get close, I have forward momentum. I'll kill the motor when I feel like I'm going to make it to shore, and then Jess will get off the front and sit off the edge of it and stop us when we're going to get into the rocks. If I were solo, I'd do the same thing, come in with a little bit of speed, pull the motor out of the water, come in with speed and get to the front and stop myself. This is for landing on shore. Same thing with sand. We can demonstrate that later. Sand's nicer because you don't have rocks you have to worry about hitting, but the bottom of the boat has kind of protection on it. It's got thick layers, so we try not to hit anything sharp, but you know, we just use our stuff. So we're gonna just pull in here and get ready. All right, so let's see how filming and driving goes. We'll get the idea, it'll work. Obviously the tide is different every time. Okay, so we can start to see it getting a little shallower here. I'm coming in with some speed. And if she sees something, she'll holler. If she doesn't, we just keep cruising. We got some speed here. Killed it. Motor out of the water. And we're just at the will of going to the beach now. And whatever the current and whatnot does. But looks like it's gonna work out, and then we gotta worry about the dog jumping off. So it's obviously not a race. I'm assuming she can touch now.
Yeah.
That's that. And then what we normally do is I'll just wait patiently while she pulls us in. Drag the boat where we want it, except she's going sideways today. We must have some current not helping.
Yeah. Well, I'm normally able to keep up, but these rocks are really slippery, so.
And these rocks are slick. I went spearfishing in here yesterday.
I'm gonna let her out, and then we can pull the boat up further. She gets in the way.
Go ahead, girl.
You want out? Go ahead. Go ahead, it's okay. Good girl.
Okay, so rocky shore landing. She's gonna try and hold it stable. I'm gonna walk to the front and just get off. And then we can either grab the straps in the nose there that I strapped, or these side handles. Go your way. We got one rock over here. Lift it up, walk it up onto the beach. We don't have to go super far. And that is a private rocky beach landing in Mexico. So we're gonna do some spearfishing, and then we will clip to the other versions, sand and anchoring, which anchoring is the most interesting of them all. We're figuring it out still. Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate a shallow sand landing now.
Yeah.
Pretty much the same thing. Come in with a little speed, pull the motor, and cruise on into the beach. We'll do it for you. You want to just hold the camera this time? We got to have some surf.
Yeah. Okay. You got time.
motor out and we're cruising wherever the tide takes us. Seems to be into the rocks though.
Yeah. Get back moving. No, you wait. Ooh, that's deeper than I expected.
You good?
It's fine. Okay. I'm just gonna slowly guide us into shore.
Motor's out. Come on.
Wait.
Take us this way.
Is it okay trajectory?
Yeah. You were just headed towards the rocks.
I didn't see that. I need to wait till I tell you.
Whee!
Getting some waves from behind.
Watch yourself so it doesn't club you in the shins up.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna hit.
Okay.
Okay. So we told you guys that we were going to show you anchoring. Realistically, the anchor we have, which is a 3.5 pound anchor, is not probably big enough for this boat in current. So what we've been doing is just parking in places like this where it's pretty calm, and we'll either throw it up on shore like we have here, or we've been tossing it down in like 3 or 4 feet of water, and then if it doesn't grab on something significant, then we'll just throw a couple more rocks on it, and that seems to hold. Definitely going to look for a bigger anchor, and then we just need practice. I think it's something that you just kind of figure out in each scenario and get better at. So let us know your thoughts in the comments, your favorite way to anchor. If you have an anchor recommendation, let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.